Ferrotec has been creating products to enhance our lifestyles ever since the company's founding in 1980. For example, equipment-related products that we've been providing since the early days, such as the vacuum feed-throughs, are essential in the manufacturing process of smartphones and PCs, medical equipment, and household appliances. Electronic device products such as ferrofluid, magnetic liquid, and thermoelectric modules are used in components that directly relate to our lifestyles, from cars to home appliances. Ferrotec's photovoltaic lineup covers all the supply chain from manufacturing equipment to wafers and solar cells, essential for the assembly of solar modules. In the recent years, Ferrotec has firmly developed its own independence from our US parent company, ever since Ferrotec has established a manufacturing base in China that is expanding through merger and acquisitions. Ferrotec's potential of future growth will continue. Let's now take a look at Ferrotec's global strategy. Ferrotec was born in the United States, grew in Japan, expanded in China and Europe to become a global company. Being constantly sensitive to the changes of the global business environments, and as we keep developing, we always consider the balance of our businesses across North America, Europe, and Asia. Let's look into the electronic device business in North America.
Having to establish our U.S. headquarters in Santa Clara, California, or the center of Silicon Valley, has allowed us to stay very close to many of our key customers who are amongst the world leaders within high-tech manufacturing sector. In such region, we're seeing strong growth in the sales of thermoelectric module and fabricated components of advanced materials such as quartz, ceramics, CVD-SiC, and silicon. In Bedford, New Hampshire, we design and produce our own technology-based products such as rotary vacuum feed-through and ferrofluid.
Ferrotec's electronic device division is composed of two of our core technologies: ferrofluid, the only liquid that reacts to magnets, which was developed by the NASA space program, and the thermoelectric modules, which are capable of precise temperature control and are widely used in consumer electronics products, such as climate-controlled car seats and mini refrigerators.
With steady growth anticipated in the semiconductor, automotive, among other key industry in the US, we're hoping to attain another strong year of growth in 2016.
In Feature 2, let's have a look into the thermoelectric module and the development of the electronic device business in Europe. As this graph indicates, sales of thermoelectric modules for the 2016 fiscal year is 3 times higher compared to the 2013 fiscal year, illustrating the high growth potential for this product. We can expect increasing demands for thermoelectric modules from the automotive, biotechnology, and home appliance industries, and also for the power semiconductor substrates, particularly in Europe, as they become smaller and more power efficient, making them an important product supporting the profits. And while the thermoelectric modules were proposed only as a component, Ferrotec plans to expand its catalogue's lineup with assembled units, offering them through proposal-based sales, tailored to businesses in each field, such as medical, food, and home appliances. Another challenge in this field is utilizing the thermoelectric modules to generate power. This mini-generator would burn kerosene to create a temperature difference, which the thermoelectric module would use to generate electricity. This power could then be accessed via USB to power LED lights or recharge mobile devices. We expect there will be a demand for this mini-generator in off-grid markets where electricity is unavailable, such as Africa and Southeast Asia. At the front line of ferrotec's electronic device business, and along with the thermoelectric modules, is Ferrotec Europe.
Ferrotec Europe operates and serves customers from 3 major locations. From its original location, east of Stuttgart, customers acquire vacuum feed-throughs and EB gun components from there, and also value our services provided for these products. Our second location is in Moscow, where we manufacture thermoelectric modules and where we also complete the value-add chain for these products. The advances in power generation has already allowed the development of a new product which is now ready to be launched into the market. This will provide us significant growth for this product line and in the future. The opening of an office right at the Frankfurt Airport is our most recent location, setting a new standard to enhance customers' experience.
In Feature 3, we introduce our initiatives for China, as well as Ferrotec's semiconductor products. The Chinese government has announced Made in China 2025 as a key policy, with the goal of gaining a foothold in becoming a manufacturing powerhouse by 2025, aiming as a leadership position in worldwide manufacturing. The first step of this policy calls for accelerated growth in manufacturing facilities, increased energy efficiency, and environmental measures. These measures would lead to an expansion in semiconductor capital investment and promotion of solar power, which would be very beneficial for Ferrotec.
2015年政府の方から発表されて、2025年までは半導体の方が自給率は 50% 持っていきたいと。それで今のところは海外の企業もどんどん入ってきて、特に最近は7社まとめて、12日集中的にやっていきたいと。そうすると中国は今のところは、だいたい 50% のシェアは世界のシェアを持ってますので、おそらく、あと10年間したら世界の 60% あるいは 65% ぐらい占めると。その時はだいたい金額ということを言ったらおそらく3000万 US ドル、我々も、今回のチャンスを掴んで、それで一緒にやっていきたいというふうにと思ってます。引き上げのところが電気は安いところは銀川に持っていきます。それであと工程は上海でやると。我々いち早く、中国の中に一番の8インチ12インチできるような会社になりつつあります。
In addition to wafers, we are expecting substantial growth for fabricated quartzware, ceramic products, silicon parts, and CVD-SiC products, due to investments on the semiconductor field in China. All of these material products are consumables for semiconductor manufacturing equipment. At Ferrotec, we're working on increasing production capacity to respond to demand. Out of our material offerings, the CVD-SiC products, which are used in semiconductor manufacturing equipments, are positioned as growth drivers. These products are gaining attention in the industry as high-purity materials used in the state-of-the-art manufacturing such as aeronautics, aerospace, and energy. CVD-SiC products refers to silicon carbide made by a reacting gas containing silicon and carbon. This process produces highly dense and pure products with excellent corrosion, oxidation, heat, and wear resistance. In addition, vacuum feed-throughs are also the core products that are indispensable to the equipment-related business. OLED panels are starting to be used in semiconductors, large TV panels, and smartphones. The market for FPD manufacturing is expanding, and vacuum feed-throughs are used in these equipments, such as the handling robots. This graph indicates the transition in FPD factory investment. As you can see, capital investment is increasing, and we believe this will last for several more years. At Ferrotec, we consider this as a good opportunity, And our strategy is to ensure increased sales through the manufacture of the next generation vacuum feed-throughs. Feature 4 is about our sales strategy in Southeast Asia.
Ferrotec Asia is consisted of 3 of our subsidiaries, Ferrotec Singapore, Taiwan, and Korea. Our mission is to satisfy our customers and further expand our business in Southeast Asia. Ferrotec Taiwan mainly focuses on semiconductor-related products, and recently demands for silicon fusion products are also growing.
Silicon parts are high-value added products used in semiconductor manufacturing. They contain ultra-high purity silicon. These parts are used for low-pressure CVD, where material gas is decomposed through heat or plasma inside an apparatus at reduced pressure to produce a film on the substrate surface. Future growth is expected in Taiwan, the leading market in semiconductor manufacturing.
And we also established a new office in Kuala Lumpur in this May, expanding our network in Southeast Asia, such as Malaysia and Thailand, where thermoelectric module and ferrofluid can expect substantial growth. So far, everything is looking good, and we are very excited with our future business projection in Southeast Asia.
Ferrotec has grown to be a global company with bases in North America, Europe, and Asia. We are committed to challenge in growing on a global level, to expand and develop our contribution to the nations for a better future.